In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to update Yahoo Mail on your iPad, ensuring you have the latest features and security updates available. So let's dive right into it. First, grab your iPad and navigate to the home screen where your handy dandy App Store icon is located. Give it a tap to open up the App Store. Once there, direct your attention to the bottom right corner of your screen where you'll see a magnifying glass icon representing the search function. Tap on that and in the search bar at the top, type in Yahoo Mail. As you type, a list of results will start to appear below. Among them, you'll see the Yahoo Mail app. Carefully select the Yahoo Mail app from this list. Once you're on the app's page, it's important to look for an update button right next to the app's name and logo. If you see this button, simply tap it to download and install the latest version of the app. This ensures you'll enjoy an optimal email experience with the latest functionalities and security improvements. But what if you're using the iPad's built-in Mail app for your Yahoo emails and you find that your emails are not updating as they should? Well, not to worry, I've got a quick tip to help fix this. Head over to your iPad settings by tapping the settings icon on your home screen. Inside settings, scroll down until you find the option labeled Mail. Tap on Mail, which will take you to a screen with various settings related to email accounts. From here, tap on Accounts, where you'll see a list of all the email accounts currently linked to your iPad. Look for your Yahoo Mail account in this list and select it. Once you're on the settings page for your Yahoo account, you'll notice an option to delete account. Although it might feel a bit drastic, don't worry, this won't delete your actual emails. It simply removes the account from your iPad's Mail app so that you can reconfigure it. Tap Delete Account to proceed. After removing the account, go back to the account screen by tapping the back button. Here, you'll find an option labeled Add Account. Tapping on it will provide a list of email providers. Select Yahoo from this list and you'll be guided through the process of signing in and setting up your account once again. Just follow the on-screen instructions and input your credentials as prompted. Following these steps carefully will ensure that you have the latest version of Yahoo Mail on your iPad, whether it's via the dedicated Yahoo Mail app or the default Mail app. Thanks for tuning in today, and if you found this guide helpful, make sure to like and subscribe for more tech tips and tutorials.